Good morning, Miss Golden Girl. Happy Friday. It's January the 23rd, 2026. I'm starting my Friday morning. Got my bed all made up. I'm getting ready to clean my bathroom. Do you think I can clean my bathroom in 30 minutes? One day, I'm going to have to probably pay someone if I ever get to the point that I can't do my cleaning of my apartment to help me out. And that's why I'm saving for long-term care. That's why I have a fund for my long-term care that I will pay someone to assist me with the activities of daily living and the activities of instrumental daily living. That's shopping, cleaning, managing my finances, managing my medication. Right now, I don't take any medication. So, let's see. I'm going to wash my rugs, mop the floor, wipe down the counter and everything. That could be done in 30 minutes, don't you think? I'm a pretty organized, tidy, clean person, so I really clean up after myself each day. But I love my bathroom. I love my apartment. I've got to get some wall plackets for my bathroom. What I'm allocating is that what I'm allocating is 8 hours a week. And this is what I'm planning for, that I base my long-term care budget on, is that I would need 8 hours of assistance a week at $40 an hour. So, and I think I'm gonna split it up, 4 hours, 2 times a week. And in that 8-hour allocation, and when they come 4 hours, one will be to clean the apartment, do laundry. And then the next 4 hours will be to shop and prepare meals. Now, shopping now, Instacart, so hey, I could do that. They wouldn't necessarily have to go to the store. And then to prepare some meals if I'm unable to. My long-term care plan, which is part of my 8-year plan.